my name is Karen. I am a full-time wedding photographer, but with coronavirus, things have been pretty slow, so I actually decided to start documenting my sewing projects. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how I created my Toddlers off-the-shoulder bubble top, and I'm also going to mention a couple things that I would have done differently, but here's what's going to look like in the end. So we're going to get started by taking the circumference of the chest and cutting 2 pieces of fabric to 3 times that measurement. You also want to take the length you want and add about 2 to 3 inches because with the seams and the bubble effect, it'll get shorter in the end. Sew 2 basting stitches on both long edges of the fabric to create your gathers. Your elastic should be just a little shorter than the chest circumference, so it'll stay snug. Secure your elastic at the beginning of your fabric and continue with your zigzag stitch while stretching your elastic as you go. Normally, to create ruching, you'd hold the elastic stretched out on top of flat fabric, but this fabric was longer than the elastic would stretch, so I had to gather it. Do this to both sides, then flip the tube inside out. Sew your tube together along the short edge with a straight stitch. This fabric doesn't fray, but you'll want to finish off your raw edges on other fabrics that do. For the sleeves, you're going to want to cut out 4 pieces of fabric, again about 3 times the circumference of the arm, and as long or short as you want it. Do the exact method that we did for the top. My camera stopped recording here, but what you're going to want to do to finish off your top is to sew the sleeve on using a small straight horizontal stitch, and you're done. I love how the top came out. It's a bit loose on her, but the sleeves hold it up enough. What I like about this version of the bubble top is that you can't actually see the elastic lines on either edge, so it just makes it look fluffier. Thanks so much for making it this far into the video. I hope it was simple enough and inspires you to just go for it when it comes to making simple but cute outfits for your little fashionista. She's not going to care about imperfect stitches or things done by the book. She's just gonna love that you made it.